Good morning. The task today is Unit 1, Activity 2, How Employees Get Paid. So I could click this link and it'll take me directly to that assignment. And here it is. But before I do the assignment, you do need to read the content. So to start right from the beginning then, we know that this is the task to work on for today. And we need to be aware that there were other tasks to complete. So I'm going to go to my checklist for Unit 1 and see, did I surf the job bank? Yes. Did I do Unit 1, Activity 1, A1 Job Bank website? Yes, that assignment. So here we are now on Unit 1, Activity 1, Assignment 2, Career. We did that one, actually. And this is the next one we're working on. So I'm going to save this so that my checklist is updated. Here's the assignment I'm working on today. Unit 1, Activity 2, How Employees Get Paid. Unit 1, Activity 2, How Employees Get Paid. So if I click it, this is the assignment. And it's necessary to click content and always work through and make sure you can understand what the content is. So in this first part, they're talking about how much money you make when you get paid piecework. In other words, for every piece of work you do, you get paid. A person completes a task such as picking a box of fruit or styling someone's hair and gets paid a fixed rate for their labor. So in this example, Joe picks 40 boxes of berries. He gets 50 cents for each box. So on my calculator, Joe makes 40 times 0.50 equals 20. So if I go 40 times 0.5, I don't have to enter the 0, equals 20. There's another example. Sheila makes 8. She styles 8 ladies' hair at a hospital. She gets $10 for each styling, so 8 times 10. There's also some practice examples. So for piecework, here are the practice examples, and you should be able to figure these ones out. How much will Joe make if he picks 100 boxes of berries? So if I slide my calculator over, and I'm aware that Joe gets 50 cents, he gets 50 cents for each box. Then down here, if he does 100 boxes, so 100 times 0.5 equals 50. If I check the answer here, 100 times 0.5 equals 50. Okay. The next topic in this section is what if a person, in some cases, a worker is paid a premium if they do more than the standard work. So Donna is expected to sew 100 pairs of jeans at 89 cents a day. She will get 99 cents for each pair she sews over 100. How much will Donna make if she sews 130 pairs in a day? So they're saying to you that for the first 100, she gets 89 cents. So 100 times 0.89 equals $89. However, there's 130 pairs, so she gets 30 cents, or I should say 99 cents for the other 30 pair. Okay, so there are 130 minus the 100 pair she's already been paid for, gives her 30 pairs left over where she gets 99 cents. So 30 times 99. Let's make sure this is correct. 30 times 0.99 equals $29.70. In total, she'll make $89. That's from the first 100 plus $29.70 for the other 30 for a total of $118.70. There's some practice on that topic there. Now, for most people, they're familiar with the hourly rate of getting paid. A person gets paid based on the number of hours that he or she works. To see an example, click here. So you could click this and a little video will come up. You may have to double click another thing here. Let's see.
To calculate a person's regular pay, take the number of hours they've worked times their pay rate. In this example, the person has worked 44 hours. The first 40 hours.
Okay, so you could watch that little video that talks about overtime rate. If he or she works overtime, usually over 44 hours, a person gets a time and a half. In other words, 1.5 times the hourly rate for all hours over 44. So Jason worked 24 hours. His hourly rate is $11.25. So he will make 24 times 11.25, just 270. So there's no overtime involved because there's nothing over 44. Sheena, on the other hand, works 46 hours. Her hourly rate is $11.25. So she'll get paid the regular rate of 44 times 11.25 equals $495 for the first 44 hours. However, she has 2 hours of overtime, right? She worked 46. The regular rate is 44 hours, so she has 2 hours of overtime. So to figure out what her overtime rate is, how much is she going to get paid for each hour of overtime, is you take 2 hours times 11.25 times 1.5 times the overtime rate, which is 1.5, which equals $33.75. You could also figure it out this way. She normally makes $11.25, but she just worked overtime. So overtime is 1.5 times. So times 1.5 equals, she's making 16.875 cents an hour times 2 hours, which gives you $33.75. So her total is the regular $495 plus $33.75. Okay. The final example is when you get paid a commission. A person gets paid a percentage of their sales. So someone sells real estate, they might earn 2% of the price. So if you have a house that sells for $200,000, the salesperson might make 2%, 0.02, that's 2%, equals, they'd make $4,000. A salesperson in a computer store may get 10%. A person at a car dealership might get 1.25%. Percent is a way of representing a decimal number. So to change percent to a decimal, divide by 100. This results in the decimal place moving 2 places to the left. So to convert 8%, you just divide 8 by 100. I'm going to follow up with another video on this commission rate, because this is a longer video. I'll be back to you in a moment. So enjoy the first part of this video and talk to you soon.